Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is trigonometric identities, and in that class we discuss about the some important trigonometric identities. Okay, like we discuss about the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We discuss about the identities 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, as well as we discuss about the identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and we solve some important question based on these identities. Okay, now in that class we also take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise related to the topic algebraic identities. Okay, so let's see some important questions. Let's see, dear students. Prove the following identities. Your question is prove the following identities. Okay, the following identities. And first part of this question is what? Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. And second part of this question is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So these are two very important questions related to your topic. Okay, the algebraic trigonometric identity. So let's see its solutions. First of all, we take and solve put the first part of these questions. We take left hand side. Okay, take left hand side, which is what? Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square. So dear student, first of all we expand it by using the algebraic identity a plus b whole square. So here a is sin, b is cosec, here a is cos and b is sec. So we expanded them by using algebraic identities. So let's see. So a square plus b square plus 2ab means 2 into sin theta into cosec theta. Similarly, we expand it by using a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab means plus 2a into b. Okay, now look, sin square theta cos square theta take together, because of we know that the algebraic identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so here plus cos square theta take together, and let's see, cosec square theta write as it is plus this is 2 into sin into cosec, and you know that sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, write in this way, and cosec theta write as it is. Okay, plus sec square theta write as it is plus 2 into cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta into sec theta, write as it is. Okay, now look, cosec theta cancel to each other. Here sec theta cancel to each other. So we get here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus cosec square theta. You know that 1 plus cot square theta. We can write 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta plus here 2 is left plus sec square theta. We can write, you know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta because of our proof in the part of our proved in the terms of tan and cot. So we convert tan and cot to sec square theta. We can write 1 plus tan square theta using identity, okay, and plus 2 write as it is. Now we break the brackets. 1 plus 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square theta plus 2. Now look, we adding the constant terms. So 1 1 2 2 2 4 4 1 5 2 2 4 4 1 5 2 7 is equal to 7 plus what, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. This is your RHS, right hand side, hence proved. Okay, hence proved. So dear students, this is the method to solve that type of question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic into the algebraic trigonometric identities. Now similarly we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see once more time. Dear student, our question in the form of sin plus cosec whole square plus cos plus sec whole square. Okay, now first of all we expand this using the identity a plus b whole square. Using the identity what? A plus b whole square. And a plus b whole square means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly here a cos theta plus sec theta whole square means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now sin square theta plus cos square theta take together and cosec square theta write as it is. Here 2 into sin theta we can write 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta write as it is. So cosec theta cancel to each other, na? Okay, and here cos square theta and sin square take together, sec square theta write as it is, and here cos theta we write 1 upon sec and sec write as it is. So sec cancel to each other, here cosec cancel to each other. And now we know that sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, and we convert cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta because of, you know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So here we write this, and here 2 is left. Sec square theta we can write 1 plus tan square theta using as identity, and here 2 is left. 2 3 2 5 2 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. This is our result. Okay, so please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Then after you can solve each and every questions. You can prove each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic trigonometric identities. Now we take and prove the second part of these questions. Let's see. Let's see. We take left hand side. Take the second part of this question, which is what? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Now, what I do for that question? Dear students, first of all, we convert it into the sine and cosine. So in all that type of question, first of all, you convert the given question into the form of sine and cosine. So since we know that cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, we know that, na? So here we put the values of cosec theta and cot theta in these expressions. So we get 1 upon sin theta minus here cos theta upon sin theta whole square, right as it is. Now we take the LCM of their denominator, so we get what? 1 minus cos theta whole square, 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta whole square, taking the LCM. Now we split the brackets, so we get whole square upon here we write as sin square theta, and we know that it is what 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So we can write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So here 1 minus cos theta whole square upon we write as 1 minus cos square theta. Now we can write 1 as 1 square, and we split in the identities a plus b into a minus b. This is the form of a square minus b square, means we can write 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 we can write 1 square minus cos square theta, right in this way, cos theta whole square. So here the identities form a square minus b square, which is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. So we can write as what? 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now dear students, 1 minus cos theta 1 cancel to each other, so we get what? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos. This is our right hand side. Hence proved. Okay, so dear student, in this way you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important questions of your syllabus. And your question is, prove that sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta is equal to 10 power 4 theta plus 10 square theta. So now let's see it. We take LHS. So we can write sec power 4 theta as sec square theta whole square, and sec square theta we can write 1 plus 10 square theta using identity. Now here sec square theta, you know that na, since sec square theta is equal to 1 plus 10 square theta. So using that concept, now here always now we put again sec square theta as 1 plus 10 square. So 1 plus 10 square theta whole square minus here 1 plus 10 square theta, right as it is. Now we expanded it, a square plus b square means 10 square theta whole square, we get 10 power 4 theta plus 2ab means 2 10 square theta, and we break the bracket, minus 1 minus 10 square theta. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancel to each other, so we get 10 to the power 4 theta, okay, and plus 2 10 square theta minus 10 square theta. Now 10 square theta, these are the like terms, so they can subtract. So we get what? 4 theta 2 minus 1, this is plus 1 10 square theta is left. This is our required proof. This is our RHS. Hence proved. Okay, thus dear students, in this way you can prove that type of question. So before that, please learn all the algebraic identities very carefully. After that you apply it into the questions and you get your result. Now we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. Now the question is, prove that tan square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta is equal to minus 1. So let's see its solution. Dear friends, first of all, we know that the identity is what? We take LHS, left hand side, which is tan square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta. Since we know that 1 upon cos square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. We have it. Okay. So and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So from there we write, if we write sec square theta transfer that side, so we have tan square theta minus sec square theta, and 1 transfer that side is equal to minus 1. We can write now. So from there we have tan square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta is what? Sec square theta, or we can write sec square theta as 1 plus tan square theta. So here we put 1 plus tan square theta. Let's see. So in bracket we put 1 plus tan square. We break the brackets, or directly we can write minus 1. Okay, or you put sec square theta as what? 1 plus tan square theta. So from there tan square theta minus 1 minus tan square theta. So 10 cancel to each other. We have minus 1. That is RHS. Okay. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Now we take and solve some other important question based on that topic. Let's see. And your question is, prove that the following identities. First is what? Sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta, and second one tan theta plus sin theta upon tan theta minus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus 1 and upon sec theta minus 1. So there are two very important algebraic identities. Now let's see its solution, dear friends. So first of all, we take and solve the first part of this question, and for first part of that we take left hand side. So we take left hand side, which is what? Sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Dear friend, we just know, we don't know any formula 1 minus cos theta. We know that 1 minus cos square theta, we know that 1 minus cos theta, we don't know any identities. So for that here we just multiply by the conjugate of its denominator in both the numerator and denominator. The conjugate of its denominator 1 minus cos theta is what? 1 plus cos theta. So here we must be multiply 1 plus cos theta in both the numerator and denominator. So we get what? 1 plus cos theta upon into 1 plus cos theta. So we get as sin theta into 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos, 1 plus cos is what? A minus b into a plus b. So we can write 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Because of this is a minus b, the form of into a plus b. So we using the identity a square minus a plus b into a minus b. We can write a square minus b square. A square means 1 square as 1. Minus b square means cos theta as cos square theta. Okay. Now, since we know that 1 minus cos square theta, using identity, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta. You know that, na? So from there, we put as sin theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to upon, this is sin square theta. So sin theta, 1 sin theta cancel to each other. So we get what? 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. But we have to show that cosec theta plus cos theta. So here we separate the terms. So we can write here 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. We can separate in this way. We write 1 plus sin theta, 1 upon sin theta plus cos. If we take LCM, so we get this value. Okay. Now, you know that, dear friends, 1 upon sin is what? Cosec. So we write as cosec theta plus cos upon sin. Cos upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. So here we write as cot theta. Hence, this is RHS. Hence proved. Okay. So dear student, this is the process to solve that type of question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, so please dear students, do more and more practices. Now, similarly, we take and solve the second part of these questions. Let's see. Now, we take LHS. Tan theta plus sin theta upon tan theta minus sin theta. Dear students, we have to show that tan theta plus sin theta upon tan theta minus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. So in that type of question, so generally, basically, dear students, first of all, you convert all the trigonometric ratios in the form of sine and cosine. So this is a very important key to solve that type of questions. So generally, we convert all the trigonometric ratio in the form of sine and cosine. Here sine already in the form of sine and cosine. So we just convert tan into the sine and cosine. You know that tan theta is equal to sine upon cos theta. So here we use that identities. Means you know that since tan theta is equal to, we know that sin theta upon cos. So here we put that values. So here this is sin theta upon cos theta and plus sin theta, write as it is. Okay, and in denominator we write sin theta upon cos theta and minus sin theta. Write as it is. Now sin theta is common from the numerator, so we get 1 upon cos theta plus 1 here upon sin theta is common from the denominator, we get 1 upon cos theta minus 1. Now sin theta is what? Cancel to each other, and dear student, you know that 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. So here we write sec theta plus 1 upon cos is what? Sec theta. So here we write sec theta minus 1, and this is RHS, hence proved. Okay, so dear student, this is the process to solve that type of question. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. First learn all the algebraic identities, after that you can solve all the questions based on this topic. Now we take and solve some other important question based on algebraic identities. And your question is, prove that your question is prove that cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 sec theta. This is a very important question related to the topic trigonometric identities. Now let's see its solution. So we take left hand side. So we have what? Cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. So first of all, we take cos theta as common from the numerator. Let's see. So if we take cos theta as common from the numerator, so we get 1 upon 1 minus sin theta plus here 1 upon 1 plus sin theta. Now we simplify these values by taking the LCM of their denominator. So we get as 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so 1 minus sin cancel to each other. So 1 plus sin into 1 is what? This is 1 plus sin theta plus 1 plus sin cancel to each other. 1 minus sin theta into 1, that is 1 minus sin theta. Okay, now let's see, dear students, here this is plus sin theta, this is minus sin theta, is cancelled to each other. Okay, now 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is plus 2, so we get as what? Cos theta into 2 upon 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So we get what? 2 cos theta upon. Now look, this is a minus b into a form of a plus b. So here we write 1 minus sin square theta. A square minus b square. A is what? 1 and b is what? Sin, na? So we write 1 minus sin square theta. So we get what? Cos theta. And you know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So we write as cos square theta. Cos, 1 cos cancel to each other. So we get 2 into 1 upon what? Cos theta. And you know that also, you know that 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. So here we write 2 into sec theta. This is your RHS, hence proved. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve that type of question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric identities. Now In next class, we take and solve some other important question based on trigonometric identities. Okay, now thanks to all.